Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Balanced fertilization is key for healthy tomato plants. A mix of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium is ideal, often found in at the 10th of October 10 ratio. At the initial planting stage, use fertilizer high in phosphorus to promote strong root development. As the plants grow, shift to a nitrogen-rich formula to support foliage growth. However, when tomatoes start to fruit, reduce nitrogen and increase potassium and phosphorus intake to enhance fruit production. Regularly adding organic matter, like compost, can also improve soil health and tomato yield.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.